Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is Earn up to $10,000 per month with Gainrock.com. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi there, if you've not subscribed already, I am reviewing the website Gainrock.com. Gainrock.com is a website set up for individuals to make money from their websites and blogs by a process called affiliate marketing. I've already made a couple of videos about affiliate marketing on this channel. I will link to one of them above and the others in the description below. Okay, let's switch view from this face-to-face to the to my screen. Okay, here's the screen view. Here's Gainrock.com. Let me tell you a bit about the programs. So the affiliate programs that Gainrock has are here. So click on here, affiliate programs, and here are the programs. First of all, there's links management, the link building service provider with 8+ years of experience helping websites and business owners take their sites to #1 on Google. So that's one of the programs that you're promoting. There is also MageNet, the website monetization platform with a unique anti-fraud system that allows website owners to earn $50 per day by placing contextual ads on their sites. So that's another program that you can promote as an affiliate. I'm going to go to Gainrock last. Adsense. So Adsense is a guest posting platform that provides publishers and buyers with a win-win content creation and distribution solutions. So those are 3 programs. And finally, Gainrock, which is the one I recommend that you start with. It's an affiliate marketing platform that bundles reliable and income generating programs for you to start getting passive income in no time. As I mentioned in a previous video, given the global pandemic, people are looking for alternative ways to make additional revenue. Gainrock and these programs associated with the Gainrock.com website are a perfect opportunity for you to earn money, additional revenue from affiliate marketing. So those are the programs. What are the benefits of signing up to Gainrock.com? Number 1, compound passive earnings from many referral programs combined with the possibility to reach and attract more people through 35+ products. Number 2, 17 preset and ready to use creatives to share your referral links across various channels. Number 3, transparent commission-based payment system and simple tracking of earnings with detailed statistics on your referrals. Number 4, AI-driven anti-fraud system and 100% guaranteed payouts made on a regular basis. Number 5, passive income made possible with your monthly referral commission. Number 6, additional services open to you with the platforms DA 40 to 100 backlinks, SEO help, sponsored content services, and more. How do you get started? You need to, first of all, click on one of these links and sign up. Sign up now and put your name in and an email and then sign up. I'm going to flick out of this because I've already signed up, and I'm going to show you another screen where I've logged in. So I've now logged in. You can see here the programs that I mentioned earlier. I just gave you an overview of those programs. This is how I am now an affiliate for Gainrock, so it's not just a video I'm making, I'm just demonstrating some of my own activity, and this is what I've done. My referral link is there. If you see at the bottom here, it says this is you can share a link from Gainrock, send a broadcast, send via Skype, post on Twitter, share on Facebook, post on LinkedIn, post on a forum. So those are your options. What I did was I selected this option, install a banner. So the banner shows you the creative. There are a number of different sizes, and through testing I've learned that this size is an optimum size for me to get reaction and engagement. So I've picked this one, which I think is a 300 250. You know, run some tests, split tests on your own website and with your own blog, and find out which are the best sizes of banner for your website. But this is what I've done over a number of years. I've then saved this and tweeted it. I didn't tweet it from this link. I tweeted it myself, added it to a scheduling tool, social media scheduling tool, and then tweeted it. And then so that means I've started to promote Gainrock, which is the site that I'm talking about. And I want to show you my statistics now. So I tweeted it just once as a test. So let's go on the statistics, and I haven't started promoting links management yet. You can see that. I haven't started promoting MageNet yet. You can see that there's no activity. It tracks all your activity down the left, which is very important, and also very good to find out which platforms are being the most effective for you when you come to promote your links, which will then generate revenue for you. Adsense, similarly, I've not started with that one. Gainrock, I've tweeted it once, and you can see that Twitter. So I've had 33 visits from one tweet. So you can see there is something motivating in this whole Gainrock proposition, the programs I mentioned earlier, and it's very simple to get involved. And that's my personal experience of Gainrock. So I'm going to continue with that, and I'm going to, once I've this is some notes to my strategy, if you like. Once I've started to get people aware and ready and receptive to Gainrock, and then signing up as part of this program, I will then start introducing some of the other programs, because I don't want to overload people with a lot of links that they may not understand all of the programs straight away. So I'm starting with Gainrock, and then I'll start introducing creative, similar to those banners that I've shown you for Gainrock, for some of the other programs. That's how I'm using it, and I think that's how it's going to be most effective. Let's go back to the so let's have a look at one of the others at random. Let's have a look at the banners. Here we go. So here's a banner for MageNet, and you can see that the banner, it's an animated banner here, earned $50 a day, and then you would obviously distribute that via your social media networks as indicated here, and then hopefully have the same result. When I start doing that, I'll get the same or a similar amount of clicks, and what I want from those clicks is conversion, obviously, and then conversion will lead to revenue for myself. So it's quite easy to get up and running with these programs. My recommendation is you take a little bit of time to understand who they're for, and then target them using your audience. The bigger your audience, or the more relevant your audience is on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, etc., the more receptive they're going to be to your offers that you're promoting for Gainrock. That's what I've been doing. When you've signed up and joined the program and started referring the links, you'll see that the chance and the opportunity to earn money is immediate. As soon as people start to register, you'll start receiving the commission. You can maximize your income by sharing the links for all the referral programs. I said, and my recommendation is that you start with one and then scale up to include links from all of them. Access all of the promotional materials, ostensibly banners, because banners are more clickable and have a higher engagement rate than URLs on their own, than just websites on their own. So use the banners in the way that I indicated earlier. When you do that, you can start earning commission instantly, which is brilliant. So that's very good. For newbies, people who are just getting started in affiliate marketing, or maybe people who are looking at affiliate marketing for the first time because of the global pandemic, then it's great for you as well. You'll be able to get started. There's lots of resources to help you if you get stuck or you don't know how best to use the banners and to distribute the materials on social media. Work hard and work consistently, and there is no limit to the amount that you can earn per month. Thanks for watching my video review of Gainrock.com. Are you going to take action? That's the key. This is a perfect example. So I encourage you to take action, sign up to become an affiliate for Gainrock, start promoting the programs, and start earning additional revenue every month. That's my recommendation. Please do take action. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you've liked this video, give me a like. Click on one of the two screenshots to watch another video from me. I look forward to speaking to you next time. And if you haven't subscribed already, thanks. Until next time, bye bye.